So this is a little update video. We got some stuff in today. Got a sticker in from William. Gave me a couple, so temporarily I'm going to start a sticker on the desk, but I am going to do something similar to RC Birds, where you got a collage that's more movable because we are going to be changing around here. We got I just finished fixing the 124008. My daughter and I are gonna go out on the track in about 10-20 minutes. So, but I just got this in and I got the sticker in. So, thanks, William. Shout out, appreciate it, brother. I want to show you what my cheap stuff on Ollie. They have a lot of $1.99 specials and stuff, and they're things that I use, you know. And I'm so cheap that I'd rather buy it and have it than going to try and find it and paying 3 times that price. So, anyways, so we got some connectors. And these are used on a lot of, you know, a lot of your small electronics, your battery terminals, whatnot. So, not a big deal there. But I got a welding mat, $1 something, $1.50, $1.90. So when I'm doing my soldering, I don't burn up my mat so much, you know. I got this for the track, a little light. Figure I start getting some of these every now and then and start adding to the light setup. All this stuff was $20. I have it budgeted $20 a month, and it takes about a month for it to come in, and it just adds to the channel. It's kind of like, this is all stuff for whatever, whether it's building or not. Oh, here's another one. This is another little, these are pretty cool. Put them indoor, outdoor. So this is radiant light, so I can just put these along the track. I got 3 of these now, so you're allowed to get 1 a month for $1 or something. So I just kind of add them to them. They seem to work pretty good. Lockpicking kit. This is a video converter, so we can do some games on the retro and import them, so it's not so much of the video of a screen. We're gonna increase our quality, and I got some clips for our new game room / studio that we're building. Don't know if I mentioned it before, but I'm moving mom here, so we're building an addition on the house, and the upstairs is going to be for my daughter and I's studio. Sorry about the hands. I was painting some decks, and that this is actually it's like, anyways, a squirrel. So, and I also got this kit of machine screws. Now these are the same size that are in a lot of the motors, and I have them back out every now and then. So for whatever it is, $1 or something, I got these smaller than 2mm screws. So just good to have, you know, that kind of thing. This is a infrared detector. So you plug it into your phone and you can see when there's video cameras around. I just thought it was neat, you know, see if it actually works. And some screw extractors, always handy. Anyways, that's some cool stuff that came in, all under $20 for all of it. And again, thanks Will. A little update on this guy. So this is a kit, and it's for the 114, not the 112, like I thought. So what I'm going to do, this is my EAT14. It is in pieces, and I really got to remanufacture that. So what I'd rather do is clean it up, use the parts that I got. It uses the same wing mount system that comes for this, and there'll be a video tomorrow maybe with this running. I'll probably use my Truggy tires for now. Now this kit comes at GEMRC with tires, with the wing mounts, with the towers for $10, man. You cannot beat that. He showed me the listing yesterday. We got things squared away. I thought originally this was for 112, but again, this was before it was even out. We were talking about this, so I'll get this built, and that'll be a nice, good video. Should have it up by Sunday at the latest. Also, big deal. We might be going to a game convention in Philly on Sunday. If we do, we'll tape it. I know this is for my gamers, not my RCers. We were going to go to the game store this weekend, and we found out he was going to be at this convention. So needless to say, we might drop down there, you know, see all the YouTubers and stuff that do that kind of thing. We've only been to one convention, period, for games and anime, and that's RockCon. It's more comic convention than toys, but it's still cool. Anyways, so if we do, I'll make a nice couple-day video of our adventure. So it should be cool. I haven't gone on a good road trip with my daughter since I used to do Army surplus, so she would go with me to the auctions when we buy the Army surplus. She got to see a lot of cool stuff, a lot of cool Army bases and stuff. Anyways, that was another lifetime ago. So yeah, hopefully we'll be doing that. So next video will be running a race between my LC and the Basher that we just finished. Won't be getting to the skate park today, obviously. But my daughter and I are going to spend a little time on the track, and we'll get everything out. Hope you liked. I mean, I know this stuff isn't RC, but I think this stuff's neat. You know, you find good deals on there. You know, you don't care about weight, and you can add to, you know, your arsenal for, you know, stuff you need for your website or the YouTube and all that. And it's cheap, you know, like for $1. I mean, come on, that's a welding man. I can not worry about getting a torch now and not knowing stuff. Anyways, and again, if you got stickers or whatnot, I mean, mine aren't the greatest in the world, but I'm more than willing to send some of these out and add some collages for all the guys. You know, just shoot me a email. It's linked in my about on, you know, there for now. So that's, thanks, Will. Hopefully I'll get Dirk's here soon from RC Birds. Good video today, bud. Anyways, yeah, that's about what I got for now. It's just a short, quick update and all the weird stuff that's going on over here at REIT Place. So I'll see you when I see you. Like and subscribe.